In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks. Cashback rewards are small credits you earn from using your bank or credit card, and they still need a clear home in your books. The method we'll use treats cashback as other income, which keeps your reports transparent and makes it easy to see how much you've earned over time. If your accountant prefers a different treatment, that's fine. But today we'll focus on the most common and straightforward approach. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to the plus new button. From there, select Bank Deposit. This form tells QuickBooks that money is arriving in an account. At the top of the screen, choose the bank or credit card account where the cashback actually landed. If you see the credit in your checking account, pick that account. If it was applied directly to your credit card balance, choose that credit card account here so the deposit correctly offsets what you owe. Next, scroll to the Add Funds to this deposit section. In the Received From field, you can enter a simple name like Credit Card Rewards. This isn't required, but it helps you search and report on these entries later. In the Account field, either select or create an account called Cashback Rewards, Other Income. If you're creating it, make sure the account type is set to an income category so it shows up on your profit and loss as other income rather than as sales. Enter the exact cashback amount on the same line. If you want, add a short description in the memo, such as the card name or the month, so anyone reviewing your books knows exactly what this entry represents. Confirm the deposit date matches the date on your bank or card statement, then review the total at the bottom. When everything looks right, save the transaction. That's it for the entry itself. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Be consistent with the Received From name so your reports roll up neatly. Use a memo when the cashback covers multiple days or a monthly sweep. And if you work with bank feeds, this deposit makes it simple to match what you see on the feed with what you've recorded in QuickBooks. To recap, you created a bank deposit, chose the account where the cashback landed, added a line in Add Funds to this deposit, set Received From to something clear, selected Cashback Rewards, Other Income, as the account, entered the amount, and saved. Your cashback is now properly recorded as other income and ready for clean, accurate reporting.